Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear student, this is our lesson number 4, Rooms in a House. What is the name of the lesson? This is the lesson number 4 and name of the lesson is Rooms in a House. Before starting this lesson, just understand warm up. Yes, fill in the missing letters to get the name of room. See, here they have given some missing letters, and from these missing letters we are going to write the name of a room. Yes. So which letters are given here? B, D, R, M. So which word it will become, dear student? The word will be B, E, D, R, O, O, M. Bedroom. B, E, D, R, O-O-M, bedroom. See, what do you do here? See, what are we doing here in the bedroom? We sleep in the bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom. Now, rooms in a house. Dear student, houses have many rooms. Yes or no? Are you agree with this? Houses have many rooms. We do different things in different rooms. Dear student, there are so many houses in the room and we are using those houses for different work. Yes or no? We do different things in different rooms. The room where we sleep is a bedroom. And dear student, in a room where we are sleeping is called a bedroom. Yes. Here you can see the picture of bedroom. Yes or no? Here is the bed and the cupboard is here, and in this bedroom we are sleeping. Yes. Now the room where we cook our food is the kitchen. See, can you see this book? Can you see this picture? This picture is of a kitchen. And what do we do in the kitchen? What are you doing? Who will tell me that? The room where we cook our food is the kitchen. See dear student, here is the picture of kitchen. Yes, and in the kitchen we cook the food. Did you know some houses have a room under the roof? And they have told here some are the houses. They have rooms under the roof. This room is known as an attic. And to these rooms is called an attic. Now next, here we can see the picture of bathroom. Can you see? Yes or no? The room where we wash and bath is the bathroom. What are we doing in the bathroom? We are washing our body. We are taking the bath in the bathroom. Yes. Now here you can see the picture of living room. The room where the family gets together is the living room. And in the living room, family members, they are getting together. Yes. In the family members they are getting together. Some houses also have a room for eating. It is called the dining room. And some of the houses they have, dear student, some of the houses they have room to eat. Means people they are going in that room for eating is called the dining room. Here you can see the picture of dining room. Yes. Some houses have a place to work, read and study. This is called a study. And if you go in some of the houses, you will find a room there where people are working, reading and doing study is called the study. Yes, study room you can say. The people where they are study, they are reading and they are having work is called the study. Here is the picture of study. Yes. Now here is the house. Some houses have gardens too, and if you go in some of the houses, you will find that some houses they have garden also. What are they doing in the garden? In the garden they are growing flowers and vegetables. What are they doing there? They are growing flowers and vegetables in the garden. In some houses there is a garage to park cars, and as like garden, some are the houses they have garage. And what are they doing in the garage? In the garage they are parking their cars. Yes. See, and listen dear students. See, taking care of our house. How we can take care of our house? Here are some things we can do to take care of our house. See, here see some things are there, some things we can do to take care of house. We should keep the house clean by dusting and mopping the rooms every day. How we can take care of our house? How we can keep our house clean? To keep our house clean, we should have dusting and mopping of the rooms. And every day we should dust and mop the rooms. We should keep things in a place so that rooms are tidy, and the things which are lying anywhere, we have to keep those things on a place. Yes. If you keep all the things on a place, your room it will look clean and tidy. Yes or no? We should let lot of sunlight and air in the house, and if the sunlight is coming in the house, air is coming in the house, we should open our windows, galleries. Yes or no? The windows of the galleries or doors, that the sunlight will come inside, fresh air will come inside. We should not waste water or electricity. We are using water and electricity. Dear student, this electricity and water, how much is needed, that much only you have to use. Yes, we should not waste it. We should not waste water or electricity. See, houses can be big or small, but a clean house is the best house. See, some student they may have small house, some student they may have big house. Houses are big or small, it doesn't matter, but you should keep your house clean, and the clean house is the best house. Yes, clean house is the best house. Family members who love and care for each other and make it cheerful home. And family members, they are loving, caring of each other and making a cheerful home, making a very nice home. New words are there, dear student. Study means what? A room to work and read. What is the study? A room where we can work or read. Mop. To wash a floor using a mop. What is mopping? See, mop means you are washing the floor using a mop. Cheerful means happy. Understood? Here we have finished our lesson. We will start with exercise. Here is the exercise, dear student. Write T for true and F for false. Yes, write T for true and F for false sentences. 5 sentences are given and we are going to do it. We sleep in the kitchen. Who will tell me the answer of this? We sleep in the kitchen. It's false. We sleep in the bedroom. So here F is given. The family gets together in the living room. What is the answer? It is true or false? The family gets together in the living room. True. We work in the study. Correct. We are working in the study. We have a bath in the dining room. Dear student, are you taking bath in the dining room? What is it? It is true or false? It's false. Yes or no? We should keep our things in place. We should keep our things in a place. Is it true or false? True. The things where are lying anywhere, you have to keep those things in a place. Understood? Now let's start next. Fill in the blanks. What is the next one? Fill in the blanks. We do different things in different dash dash. We do different things in different dash dash. What is the answer, dear student? Rooms. Yes, the room where we sleep is a bedroom. bedroom. We grow fruits and vegetables in a garden. Where we are growing the vegetables and fruits? In the garden. Cars are parked in a garage. A dash dash house is the best house. What is the answer, dear student? A clean house is the best house. We do different things in different rooms. The room where we sleep is a bedroom. We grow fruits and vegetables in a garden. Cars are parked in a garage. A clean house is the best house. Now next is answer the following questions in one sentence. This is the third one. What do we do in the bedroom? What are we doing in the bedroom? We sleep in the bedroom. Dear student, we sleep in the bedroom. Where do we cook food? We cook food in the kitchen. We cook food in the kitchen. Where would you find soap and buckets? Where would you find soap and buckets? We can find soap and buckets in the bathroom. How can we keep the house clean? We can clean the house by dusting and mopping. We can clean the house by dusting and mopping. How does a home become cheerful? Family members who love and care of each other can make home cheerful. The family members, those they love and take care of each other, can make home cheerful. Yes. Now next is that activities given. Name the different rooms in a house. Here is the bedroom, dear student. Here is the bathroom. You can see the picture also. Here is the kitchen. This is the living room. This is the bedroom. This is the dining room. Understood? Here we have placed the names. Yes. To get more videos, dear student, please subscribe our channel and like it and share it. Thank you.